Divide 482 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down these 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 482 divided by 5 is 96.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.